Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can check your contract on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that at the bottom of the screen you can see the contract option. Click on that and you can see the active contracts. So contracts you are actively working on will appear here, and the direct contracts create simple contracts with your non-Upwork clients protected in escrow, leading to quick payment. And if you want that, click on the create and view your direct contracts, and then click on the create a contract, and you can invite clients as well. And at the bottom you can see that how it works. So first, create and send a contract to your non-Upwork client. 2, your client accepts that contract and deposits funds in escrow. And 3, get paid when you complete the work. And here's some information why use direct contracts. And if you like this option, then click on the create a contract, and then you're all set. I hope this video was